Hi, welcome to Design Spark. My name is Ravi, and today we will learn how to make this amazing page curl effect. So let's get started. So first step is to place your images. Place both of your images. So I'm taking this plain sky and one with a sunset. So let's take it from there. Now what we have to do, select the upper image and select the rectangle marquee tool and select a portion from here. Now select gradient tool. Gradient should be black to white. Drag the gradient from this corner to this corner. Okay, gradient should look like this. Now deselect this by pressing Ctrl D. Okay, now this gradient is on first layer. Now what we have to do, press Ctrl T to enable the transformation tools. Now right click on image and choose warp. Now what we have to do, take this point and bring it here until this portion hides by this curl effect. Okay, so as you can see, this portion is still visible. You can use these handles. You can click on it and manipulate this thing. Okay, so our base photo is ready. Now we have to create realistic shadows. So many creators do this mistake that they apply shadow on all over this image, but to get a realistic effect we will apply shadow only on this ground. Okay, so we will paint shadow manually. So select this layer, bottom layer, and create a new layer. Now take the brush and take the soft round brush. Hardness should be 0 and flow should be 5% or 10%. I'm choosing 5, and just paint the shadows where you think shadows should be there. Okay, it's not possible to get shadows on sky. Okay, so we are painting on shadow. So we are painting shadows on ground only. So let's paint. It should look realistic. Okay. As you can see, this is looking much better. Now you can decrease flow further to 1% and make this as you can see, this is looking much more realistic. Okay, now we will apply a blend if to this shadow layer. So double click on this layer and this dialog box will appear. Now take this slider to the left. So what will this slider do? This will erase the shadow effect from the bright part of the underlying layer. Okay, so let's move it towards left. As you can see, bright parts are coming. So as this is very harsh, so press Alt and click on this handle to break it apart and make this transition a little smoother. Okay, so our shadow is ready. Okay, let me play this. Okay, my shadow is looking pretty good. And now next one additional thing I will add to this is create a fake sunlight. So create the uppermost layer and choose the solid color, choose black. Okay, now go to filter, render and lens flare. Okay, convert it to smart object. So now you can choose different type of suns here. Not suns, these are lens flare. So I like this one. You can control its brightness from here. I think this should be fine, and position of sun is right here. Okay, so press OK. Now change the blend mode of this layer into screen. As you can see, this is coming out of the screen, so we have to adjust it a little more. So let's place it here. it's very bright, so we need to decrease its opacity. So this is how we can make this page curl effect in Photoshop. So I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, make sure to give us like and comment below your suggestions about this video. I will see you in my next video.